सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Ram Ram. Myself Kashish Pandya from Tathastu Yoga and Tathastu Seva Kendra. A healthy mind stays in a healthy body, and both of this are together possible with yoga. On the occasion of 6th International Yoga Day, I wish that you learn and practice this wonderful way of living for a healthier life. Warm wishes to you on this special day. International Day of Yoga was celebrated throughout the world for the first time on 21st of June 2015. This day was internationally recognized by the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) on December 2014. The idea of International Yoga Day was proposed by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on September 2014. Yoga is not only a physical exercise where you twist, turn, stretch and breathe in the most complex ways. These are actually only the most superficial, the infinite potential of the human mind and soul. It leads to the healthy development of mind, body and soul by mastering certain yoga postures or asanas with certain breathing techniques. This year theme will be Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family by the following Common Yoga Protocol or CYP. So let's start by the simple warm-up exercises and asanas to this protocol. The first asana is neck bending, forward and backward. Stand in an alert position. Keep arms on your wrist. Exhale. Bend your head slowly and try to touch chin to the chest. Inhale. Move your head as far back as possible and come in the initial position. Next is right and left neck bending. Exhale and bend the head slowly to the right. Bring the ears as close as possible to your shoulders. Inhale, bring the head to the normal position. Exhale and bend the head to the left side. And again inhale by bringing your head to the normal position. Next is right and left neck twisting. Exhale, gently turn neck to the right side. Inhale, bring head to the initial position. Exhale, turn the neck towards your left side and inhale by bringing the head into the initial position. Neck rotation is the next exercise. Slowly rotate the neck in clockwise direction. Feel the stretch and same in the anti-clockwise direction. Now let's start with trunk twisting. Exhale. Twist the body to the right side. Come back to the initial position. Now exhale. Twist the body towards your left side. And again come back to the normal position. The next is knee movement. Exhale. Bend knees and bring down your body towards the squat position. Exhale by straightening your body. Now we are done with warm up. So let's start with the asana. Is Tada Asana, the palm tree pose. Stand straight. Interlock your fingers together. Lift your hands above the head. Keep body steady in this position. Now slowly raise heel up to the ground. Hold it from 15 to 10 seconds. The next asana is Vriksha Asana, the tree pose. Now let's start with the Padhasta Asana, hands to the feet posture. Next upcoming asana is Ardha Chakra Asana, half wheel pose. Now let's start with the Trikona Asana, the triangle pose. The next asana is Bhadra Asana, the auspicious pose. The next asana is Vajra Asana, which can be done after eating. The thunderbolt pose. The next asana is Ushtra Asana, the camel pose. The upcoming asana is Shashaka Asana. In English, it is called as the hare pose. Now, let's start with the Vakra Asana, which is called as the spinal twist pose. Let's start with the Bhujanga Asana, which is also known as the cobra pose. Now, let's start with Shalbha Asana, the locust pose. The next asana is Setu Baddha Asana. In English, it is known as the bridge pose. Next up is the raised feet pose, that is Uttan Padan Asana. Now let's start with the Ardha Hala Asana, the half flow pose. Now let's start with the Pavan Mukta Asana, that is the wind releasing pose. Now let's start with the Shava Asana. Now we are done with asanas. So let's start with the pranayama. The first pranayam is Kapalbhati pranayam, which has to be done with Apan Mudra. Let's start. The next is Anilom Vilom pranayam, which has to be done with Vayu Mudra. After this, we are going to do Brahmari pranayam. After doing Brahmari pranayam, come into Dhyan position and in Gyan Mudra. Meditate for at least 5 to 10 minutes by closing your eyes and with deep inhale and exhale rhythm of your breath. As we all know that yoga is about awakening. Yoga is about creating a life that brings more beauty and more love to the world. Make your life beautiful on this 6th International Yoga Day with a promise to me to start yoga soon. These were some amazing exercise, pranayam and some basic warm-up which will really help you to be fit and fine. And that's it for today's workout. And remember to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, family. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki Jai.